Hi, I'm Jay Fiske. I'm the Vice President of Business Development at Powerhouse Dynamics. We're the makers of the SiteSage Asset and Energy Management System, and we're the latest members of the Middleby family. So SiteSage is a technology that's a combination of cloud-based software, mobile app, and hardware, controls and sensors that go into restaurant chains, convenience store chains, and others that help really address three things. The first is equipment performance. So we have sensors and diagnostics in the software to help facilities focus their time and dollars where they should be directed for effective maintenance. The second area is operational transparency. What operators are seeking is a single platform tying together data from key equipment, whether it's fryers, ovens, dish machines, refrigeration. No one buys from a single brand, so they're looking for a single platform tying all that together. The third part of what we do is really what pays for the entire system. It's the foundation of the economics behind SiteSage, and that's energy reduction. That utility bill savings is essentially paying for the infrastructure to address all of the other operational challenges I mentioned around data integration from key kitchen equipment and asset management for other key systems in the facilities. So the system is really designed for companies that have 50 or more locations. If you're a franchisee with 50, 100, or a corporation with say 200, 500, 1,000 locations, that's really where the system shines, is providing all that data at the enterprise level, all that control at the enterprise level to really drive consistent, cost-effective operations across the enterprise.